Hey guys, my name's Lainey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super simple and tasty recipe. It is a chocolate protein truffle. The macros are amazing and the secret ingredient is laughing cow cheese triangles. You're gonna need some extra light laughing cow triangles, some extra dark cocoa powder, some coconut flour, sweetener of your choice. This is optional. I like to add the sweetness, a little bit of water and some extra dark chocolate. We're simply going to blend all the ingredients minus the dark chocolate in a mini blender. Once it comes to a breadcrumb-like consistency, taking some of the bread-like mixture and rolling into small balls. Simply put them in the freezer. Now you're going to melt your dark chocolate. Once the chocolate balls have been in the freezer for about 20 minutes, now we're going to dip the balls in the melted chocolate and replace onto the baking paper. Once they have semi-set at room temperature, you can drizzle some additional chocolate over the top. Place them back in the freezer for another half an hour until the chocolate has set. And there you have it, some delicious. As you can see, they are super soft in the middle, just like a truffle, and the macros are amazing. This will definitely quench a sweet tooth for anyone. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give it the thumbs up. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. And if you have any questions about this recipe, please hit me up in the comments. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of these delicious recipes.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like,